Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows start menu, options and settings and icons, if you try and make any modifications in here, it resets or restore back to default automatically. So this is an annoying issue if you're trying to customize this page. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na DISM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash RestoreHealth. So copy lang natin yan and then paste natin dito and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so dito ay kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete yung 100% verification. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito na the restore operation completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay i-type mo lang yung sfc space slash scannow. So one word yung slash scannow and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. Kailangan lang natin na hintay na ma-complete ang 100% verification. Ayan, so makita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So ang next step na ating gagawin ay dito lang sa start menu and then click mo lang to restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows start menu reset to default automatically. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.